What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be showing you our latest product, the ZShield Reveal, a transparent, high-performance face mask. Purpose of the video today is to walk you through the individual components of the mask, take you through a quick assembly process, and then give you a couple of key tips to help you for optimal comfort, optimal fit, optimal clarity. So first off, just to kind of walk you through the different components, you've got the filter, you've got the lens, you've got a Z-Clear paste, which will be applied to the inside of the mask to help achieve clarity. You've got a left and right ear strap. And then you've got lastly a microfiber pouch. We'll show you a couple tricks with that for the paste application. So let's jump into assembly. Very simple. You're gonna go ahead and take the lens and the filter. You'll just slide this right in. You're gonna pull gently down on the seal of the back or push down with the filter. You're gonna slide that right in. Just like that. Let me pull it out and show you that one more time. Easy to remove, easy to insert. We'll kind of pull down, push that right in. There you go. You've got the filter in. The next step is, before we put the ear straps on, go ahead and take the Z-Clear paste, the anti-fog coating. There'll be a little seal on it. Use your thumb or your index finger, doesn't matter. Take a little bit. And you're gonna wanna just apply this generously on the inside of the lens. Might take 2 applications. Do a little bit more here. Go through and rub that on. You'll notice as you're doing this, you will leave smudging and streaking, and that's okay. You do want to do that. If you have any of the blue coloring showing, that generally indicates that you used too much, so go ahead and rub that in a bit more. But you will have smudging and streaking. Like I said, that is what you are looking for at this point. So we'll do that. We've got it coated. Go ahead and close this up. We don't need that anymore. Now, with the carry case, the microfiber pouch, I mentioned it can double as a cloth. Go ahead and turn it out. I like to turn it inside out, use the interior of it. You're gonna wanna come in and just reduce or kind of eliminate any of the smudging or streaking. And there's enough on here that it's okay. Don't worry about pulling some of it off. No worries there. Just come in and clean it up a little bit. And we're trying to make sure that we leave it as clear as possible without fully removing the paste. Let me look at it here. We've got a few more smudges. Just clean this up. There we go. Perfectly clear. Go ahead and turn the bag back to the right side for carrying purposes. So we've got the paste, we've got the anti-fog coated on the inside of the lens. The last step here before we put it on and test fit would be to take the ear straps and put them on. That's a very simple process, and keep in mind, each strap is designed specifically, one for the left, one for the right. We'll start with the right. It's easy to remember. It's just a single snap. That indicates that you've got the correct ear strap on the correct side. You'll notice on the lens here, you've got 2 wings. Each wing has a point on the top and the bottom. You're gonna go ahead and take the top strap of the right ear strap. There's a little loop on the end and very easily just slides right over the top prong. And we're gonna do the same here on the bottom. Make sure you have the bands untangled when you do that, of course. Very easy. We'll do the same here, 2 more on the left. So we'll start with the top loop, slides right on. And the 4th and final, go ahead and put that on just like that. Pretty simple. Now that I've got it on, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on in an idle state. I like this feature of the mask. It's I use the first snap here, but you can go ahead and put that on like that. Allows you to kind of set it up. Of course, very easy to leave it here in a resting state, an idle state. And so we've got the ear straps, make sure they're turned up and untangled. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it on, and let's just see how it fits initially without any adjustment. It's pretty good. One thing to keep in mind is for optimal protection, you do want a tight fit, a tight seal around the face. Mine was a little loose at the top of the ears. I'm gonna go ahead and just bring this in a little bit. You have sliders on the top and the bottom, so you can quickly and easily adjust as needed to bring it a little tighter or make it a little looser, whichever. We'll try that again one more time. We'll bring it in the idle state. Okay. And that's it. That was a perfect fit for me. Really comfortable while still being tight enough to achieve the fit that we're looking for there. And so from there, look, that's it. Go ahead and you can drop it into your pouch here. Carry case, get everything in. And you'll be able to be on your way and use as needed. And there it is. Really simple. Thanks for joining us today. Happy to walk you through that. Thank you so much for your support of our products, and please stay safe.